how did this iCard come into play? What happened? Who's
Michael
the
McMahon
alleged
is the district
victim?
attorney of Staten Island. Michael McMahon's a scumbag. He's corrupt. He collects double dips on pensions. He's as corrupt as the day is long. So is his scumbag wife. They're both scumbags, okay? They've hated me for years because I showed that they had dead people sign their petition signatures when he ran for district attorney, that he's just a crooked bastard. And so what he did was he subscribed to my media publication. This is for real, the one that we talked about, lutman.substack.com.
LUTHMANN.substack.com.
He
You
subscribed to
should
that after
subscribe as well.
I and my media outlet showed that he was sweeping anti-Muslim violence under the rug on Staten Island. One of his political allies, Kevin Barry Love, the husband of city councilwoman Camilla Hanks, right? She turns around and he's threatening Muslims. Okay, she's treating Muslims terribly in the office and violating their rights, making comments about them praying and all this other stuff. And so the Islamic Council turns around and that represents 93 mosques and sends letters. Don't go after this person. Don't do this, don't do that. Well, what are you people doing? You're anti-Islam. Well, I bring it to the district attorneys, or I didn't do it, but my outlet did. Rick LaRiviere did. I didn't actually send the email directly to this guy. But then after that, his Ashley Owens and all those people in his office start monitoring what we're saying about his anti-Islamic attitude. Mike McMahon is the chief law enforcement officer. So then in July, and emails coming, he saw 83 emails. Mike McMahon did. He enjoyed 83 emails. On the 83rd email, which was a reposted email from my media outlet, not by me, but by Dr. Bandy Lee about corruption in New Jersey. Okay.
Wait. I think I'm missing. Hold on. I think I'm missing something. Why? In what world would it matter if he was receiving emails? What crime did he say was being committed by him receiving emails from your media company? What crime could possibly be committed?
A protection order against me. All right, because he says he's the victim of a crime that I committed against him years ago for making a fake Facebook page about it. So because I engaged in First Amendment activity that's criminalized in the People's Republic of New York, there's a protective order which I was never served with. Okay, in these cases, and he says I violated the order by direct contact through an email from my media outlet, from the media outlet that I'm a part of. Okay, that bears my name. So that's the pretext. He said it was a felony situation because he says I was a stranger, unknown to him, that I was this, that, and the other thing. He lied. He perjured himself. He's a lying scumbag sack of crap. And he lied on that 3-page document. He has an attorney license that should get taken away. He should be thrown out as the district attorney. He lied. And so I'm telling Jessica Tisch, who is the NYPD commissioner, okay? She's there. Mandami said he would consider keeping her on, but I don't think he's going to because she's Jewish and she's not going to stay on. But it's New York, and that's the way it's going to go. I asked her and the Corporation Counsel to take this stuff and throw out this iCard. There's no exigent circumstances. The address they had for me was the Brooklyn Metropolitan Detention Center, the federal lockup in Brooklyn. If I lived at the address they said, I'm a harm to nobody because I'm in jail. I'm not in jail. Detective Wilkinson said, oh, he's in Florida. He admitted it. I have an audio tape that's part of that tape admits it. He admits the whole conspiracy. I'm going to sue the ever-loving shit out of Michael McMahon in Florida because he's caused me a significant loss of liberty interest and great fear. I'm afraid these people like Bill and Hillary Clinton will do anything and say anything. Judy and Michael McMahon will do anything and say anything to keep their power, including murdering people. And I'm afraid that I'll be murdered by these people. I'm going to sue here in Florida at Mike McMahon personally because of his personal activities. But the city of New York has a very good chance to get out of this. And the Monell and an Article 78 proceeding against the NYPD for going along to get along with Mike McMahon. Mike McMahon is done. Okay, Mandami is in. It's a new day. And McMahon was a Cuomo Democrat. Okay, Camilla Hanks is a Cuomo Democrat. Okay, guess what? Mandami is going to offer those people up, that part of the Democratic Party up. And you know what? Trump is going to serve them because Trump wants corrupt Democratic New York City prosecutors. And Mike McMahon is on the top of the list, and he's got no protection because he's not with the Mandami wing of the Democratic Party. He's with the Cuomo wing, which is dying. And I wouldn't be surprised if a color of law and a RICO case gets brought against these people. I would not be surprised.